Hello children, today's topic is double circulation. We have seen that heart is made up of 4 chambers. Upper 2 chambers are auricles, lower 2 chambers are ventricles. From the right ventricle arises pulmonary artery which goes to lungs, and from lungs the blood it gets oxygenated and the blood enters into the left auricle through the pulmonary veins. And there is another circulation where the main aorta, which arises from the left ventricle, it distributes the oxygenated blood to various body parts or the organs. It gives them oxygen, collects carbon dioxide from them and enters into the right auricle through vena cava. Let us see again. The blood circulates through the heart twice in one heartbeat. पहला सर्कुलेशन कौन सा है? दैट इज द सर्कुलेशन ऑफ ब्लड फ्रॉम राइट वेंट्रिकल टू द लेफ्ट ऑरिकल वाया लंग्स. रिपीटिंग अगेन, फ्रॉम द राइट वेंट्रिकल टू द लंग्स and then to the left auricle. This circulation of blood from right ventricle to left auricle through lungs, this is called pulmonary circulation. And in another circulation, the blood is taken by the main aorta from the left ventricle, and then from left ventricle it enters into the right auricle through various body parts, and this circulation is called systemic circulation. Since during one heartbeat, during one contraction and relaxation of heartbeat, the blood passes through the heart twice, therefore it is called double circulation. Let us see the double circulation. From left ventricle, the blood is taken by the main aorta to various body parts. Oxygen is given to the body parts, carbon dioxide is collected, and the vena cava, it takes the deoxygenated blood to the right auricle. From right auricle, blood enters into right ventricle. From right ventricle, pulmonary artery takes the blood, deoxygenated blood, to the lungs, and the blood gets oxygenated, and the pulmonary veins, they take the blood to the left auricle, and from left auricle blood enters into left ventricle. तो हमारे पास दो पार्ट्स हो गए. द फ्लो ऑफ ब्लड फ्रॉम लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल टू राइट ऑरिकल हमने ऐसे डिवाइड कर दी. लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल टू राइट ऑरिकल एंड राइट वेंट्रिकल टू लेफ्ट ऑरिकल. दिस इज जो लंग्स से होके जा रहा है, दैट इज पल्मनरी सर्कुलेशन, एंड सर्कुलेशन थ्रू बॉडी पार्ट्स इज सिस्टेमिक सर्कुलेशन, and this represents the blood circulation, that is double circulation of the blood in the body. Now you must remember that at the base of this pulmonary artery and main aorta there are present semilunar valves which control the flow of blood to and from various body parts.